Let me show you a few new features of the Blackhawk QD Slick Sling. We have QD connections, front and rear of the sling. I can easily convert from a 2-point configuration to a 1-point configuration and back. I have a rapid adjust slider buckle to adjust tension to get in and out of the sling as fast as possible. Converting the sling is easy as 1, 2, 3. And we're done. We can immediately convert back to a 2-point sling as rapid as possible. That's the QD Slick multi-point sling from Blackhawk.